Alright, I'm Hannah Gonzalez from CrossFit. This is 15-pound bar, 10-ton weight, so it's 35 pounds.
And what age group are you in?
And I'm an 18 and under.
Okay. Whenever you're ready. Okay. Go! Go down, get a little more depth. There you go. Yeah, just watch the depth.
Okay.
Really concentrate on it. Down deeper. Okay, you got 2 minutes left. Yeah. Okay, just get your depth. A little more. You're not getting below parallel. There you go. There you go. Good. Plenty of time. You got 1.5 minutes left. It's all right. Plenty of time. Okay, get the depth. There you go. Concentrate on it. Good. Get down a little bit. Okay, you got 1 minute left. Good job.
Oh, this is the hard part.
Good depth. There you go. About 30 seconds left. You're doing great. Take a little breather. Okay, good depth. Depth. There you go. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Nice and easy. Stop.
The bar started to fall back.
Your clock's still running, so you've got just under 2 minutes to change shape. Would you move the bar out of the way?
Yeah, I'll move the bar. Thank you.
The only thing that really got you was those ones that you didn't get all the way down. Because you could have had so many more.
Those are difficult.
Mm-hmm.
And it's hard overnight to get all the way down sometimes.
That's like my problem at CrossFit too. Stairs always tell me to get down more. This is gonna be embarrassing.
Hey, everybody has to learn. You'll get them.
You did really good. You rocked those over the squats.
It's like 1.5 minutes hit and I was like, I'm done.
Got 1 minute of rest left. It's 2 minutes of rest, right, Sarah?
Yeah.
Feels good right here.
Yeah. If you jump either side of foot, it's not going to matter. You'll be fine. You got about 25 seconds left of rest.
You got this.
Hard part's over. This is the fun
That
part.
was the hardest part.
Yeah.
This is like the part to get out of breath though.
Yeah, but you got this.
10 seconds.
I should get 3 right here.
3, 2, 1, go. Good pace. Good job. Okay.
Give me my pace back.
You got 2 minutes left.
Okay.
Plenty of time.
Can't go fast enough now.
It's okay when you get tired. Halfway, you got 1.5 minutes. You got 1 minute left. You're doing great.
I can feel when I'm like about to mess up.
You got plenty of time. You'll get to 50. Come on. You got 35 seconds. You're doing great. 20 seconds. Ten seconds. 5 seconds. Stop.
47. Good job.
That's excellent. See, you said you were going to get 10. That's huge. Yeah,
Those are really rough.
they are.
Yeah, Mom. Now, after she gets all rested up, we
I
should
don't think I
skip
turned it
after.
off. Did I turn it off?
Yeah, you